This is how to make your own jacket or hoodie. So first, go get some shirt with sleeves on, and get the shirt without sleeves. Okay. First thing is see see this see this hole. Put your head in there. Put your head in there, and then go to here, there, like that. So that you can see. And then put this on your nose or face, and then put them together and tie it. Tie it up. See? Next is the hoodie. Same thing. Go to this hole. Go to this kind of hole. Then do the same thing like the sleeve one. Then that. You're the Uchiha. Bye bye. Hope you like my video.